$399 for the iPhone SE 2020. It's kind of a tough deal to pass up. Nah, I don't need that.
Lawrence, buy it. You know you want
said that?
it. It's your conscience.
My conscience?
Just get it, Lawrence.
No, I don't want it. I don't need it. Not gonna buy it.
Do it for your channel.
How you know about that? What? Did you subscribe? You better have subscribed.
Yeah, I did. It's tech time.
And what the heck? It's tech time. What's up, everyone? Back at you again with another video, and I finally caved in. Went on and picked up the iPhone SE. So, you know what? Let's get this bad boy unboxed, and I'll see you soon. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, that looks really, really good, guys. Really good, really good. Let's power that on. Wow, this looks, I don't know, like a lot better than the 8. Maybe because it's new. All right. Okay, so I got right here the iPhone 11 Pro, and you can see it's practically the same size. iPhone 11 Pro at the bottom is a little bit longer, but pretty much the same size. It's just you getting all screen versus bezels and a home button. But hey, the iPhone SE looks really good as well. If anything, I actually like this color probably a little bit better than the iPhone 11 Pro Space Gray. I think, I don't know. They both look good. They both look really good. Okay, let's switch back over. Okay, so now that I got this set up, you already know, let's get the A13 chip in there for those of you who didn't know that. But yeah, that's the same chip found in the iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, and iPhone 11. So performance is gonna be pretty much identical. But one thing I do want to test out is the cameras on both of them. So I'm gonna do a little camera samples right now and a little video, and that'll conclude the video. Start with the classic selfie. Front-facing selfie, I should say. Okay. Oh yeah. So yeah, iPhone 11 Pro is definitely looking a little bit more saturated, a little bit more skin tones. The iPhone SE is looking a little washed out. Okay. Let's do it. 1, 2. Not bad, not bad. Definitely seeing the iPhone 8 over in the iPhone SE, and I believe that the iPhone SE is still using the same lenses from the iPhone 8 series. So I don't know, they both look good. Like the iPhone 11 Pro is looking a little saturated, whereas the iPhone SE is looking a little dialed down. I like them both. Yeah, I like them both. Video time. Should I do front video? Yeah, I'll just go right into rear. Okay. Okay, let's go into, yeah, we're gonna go into the rear video. We'll just do 30 frames per second. Cause I'm gonna export this at 30, so I'm just gonna do 30. Okay. Okay, this is a rear video test of the iPhone SE and the iPhone 11 Pro. So which one do you think looks good? Which one do you think they look the same? Put that in the comments below. Curious to hear your thoughts. Rear video test. All right, and I'm just gonna take a couple photos from different objects and you let me know how they look. Or which one you think looks better. All right, starting off with Goku. Let's do it. Okay. iPhone 11 Pro. Ooh, oh no, I think I'm liking the iPhone SE. All right, we'll do the Rubik's Cube next. Yeah, I think I'm leaning towards the iPhone SE's image on these right now. Wow, it's crazy. I don't know, it's like the 11 Pro kind of got like a beauty haze going on. Okay, good old Deadpool. Yeah, I don't know, I really like I'm really liking the iPhone SE on this one. Okay. What else do I got? I need some plants. Go something right here. Harsh lighting because I'm not turning it around, but actually the sensor is pretty big on these where I really don't even need to turn the light around. So let's go 1, 2. Excuse the mess on it. But yeah, so you guys decide. You guys let me know. And if you do want to see a camera comparison between these, I mean, there's a bunch of other ones on YouTube already. I'm late to the game on this one, but hey, better late than never, right? If you do want to see a camera comparison, I'll probably do it. Or I'm thinking about comparing this to the Galaxy S10e. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. Probably do a gaming test or something. I'm gonna want to do something with this. But I'm gonna be using this as my daily driver for about a week, and probably next week I come back with a review, or whenever I get the time to do it, come back with a review on this bad guy. But until then, hey, click that subscribe button, ring that bell so you get notified when I upload. As always, salute to the flag. It's for the love of tech, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.